In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fade in on DaVinci Resolve. By the end, your clip will start more smoothly instead of cutting in suddenly, which looks much more professional in any kind of project. To begin, go to the Edit page. If you look along the bottom of DaVinci Resolve, you will see several page icons labeled with names like Media and Cut and Fairlight. Click on the one that says Edit with the small film strip icon. When you are in the Edit page, you will see a large timeline area at the bottom and your viewer at the top, which is where all the main editing work happens. Now place your clip on the timeline. In the upper area, find the clip in your media pool, then drag it down into the timeline area until it snaps into place on a track. You will see a rectangular block appear, usually with a small thumbnail image inside, showing that the clip is now part of your sequence. If the clip is not at the very start of the timeline, that is fine. The fade-in will still work from the beginning of that clip. A useful detail here is that you can always drag the clip to a different position on the timeline later without losing the fade you are about to add. Once the clip is in place, move your mouse to the top left corner of the clip. Slide the pointer slowly toward that corner so you are right on the edge, not floating above or below the clip. As you get close, pay attention to how the cursor looks. It will change when you are in the correct spot. Many beginners move too low and end up trimming the length of the clip instead, so staying near the top edge prevents that mistake. When you are exactly on that top left corner, a small white handle will appear. It looks like a tiny diagonal line or triangle sitting on the upper border of the clip. This handle is DaVinci Resolve telling you that you can now control the fade for that end of the clip, without affecting the main timing. If you do not see the handle, zoom in a little on the timeline so the clip appears larger. Then try again at the very top edge. Next up, drag the handle to the right to increase the fade-in duration. Click and hold on the white handle, then gently pull it sideways toward the right along the top of the clip. As you drag, you will see a slanted line appear inside the clip, starting at black on the far left and rising up, which represents the fade-in curve. The further you drag, the longer the fade lasts in seconds, and you will often see a small time label while you move it, so you can set an exact length. Release the mouse when the fade looks right, then play from the start of the clip and you will see it now brighten in smoothly instead of popping on. You have just learned how to add a clean fade in to any clip in DaVinci Resolve using the white handle on the Edit page. If that helped your edit look smoother, please give the video a thumbs up so others can find it, and subscribe if you want more DaVinci tips.